This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS principles. I'm working on their digital information unit, and I'm on the lesson encoding black and white images. Oh no, an image got messed up during transmission. The problem? A single extra bit was inserted into the stream of bits that make up the C of this Code.org logo. That extra bit bumps all of the other bits down the line, which makes the logo look messed up. Your task: hunt down the extra bit and remove it to fix the code code.org logo. Hint: one bit early on would make it look like many bits were out of order. Ah. So, one bit early on. Now, one bit early on would make it, well, what's this guy? It looks like we have the right size. I want to refresh to bring up the picture. Okay. So the corners should have white corners. Okay, and it looks like this shifted over some. Okay. All right, so, yep, and then we would want the top of this to be a C. Right here, though, that looks out of order, because they had a back that was just solid. Let's add a 0 here. That's going to shift everything else out of order. Let's delete that, and let's do a space. And no, not yet. What's going on now? I think this is just in the wrong spot. Oh, wait. This needs to go over 1. I'm going to undo. Control Z is undo, which is what I'm doing on my computer. What if I make this over 1? Okay, and then, yep, so now I have 4 and 4 like theirs did. Okay, now let's do this. Get rid of that, except should have 3. Yeah, no, that one's in the right spot. Oh, boom. And now it is all correct. Oh my goodness, that is tricky. Do we have enough? My spacing's off, but there we go. It looks just like theirs. Awesome. Let's keep going.